Well, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the search history on the Google Play Store. So if you're going to search and you just type something in, you can see your search history in here. So I can see that I went to FindHub, Fortnite or something like that, and you can delete all this so it doesn't appear on here. So we can just go to our profile right here, scroll on down to settings, then go to general. And then there's a setting right here, account and device preferences. Go to this and there should be an option in here to delete the search history. Okay, here it is. Clear device search history. Remove searches you have performed from this device. So we can just go to this. Then we can go to clear history. And then we can go back. And then we can just type that in. So Fortnite doesn't show up in here as a search term at all. And then we should be good to go. Now, if you downloaded an app or something like that, you might want to go to where it says manage your apps. So let's go to where it says manage apps and device. Then we can go to manage. Click this device, go to not installed. So if it is installed, you can just delete it. But if you go to the not installed apps, everything we ever downloaded on our Google Play Store still shows up on our account, so we can just go to it and we can delete, like Facebook Lite, that hasn't been around since like 2010. So we can delete it now from our Google Play Store history completely. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.